Okay, so
we're good. Let's go.
Pelu, hi everyone, Pelu Awofeso here again. I did the first introduction, a few seconds ago. Now I'm trying to get a little closer, to the Ibibio Unity Museum, which I spoke about earlier, and it's quite refreshing, to take a walk around this facility and take a, just appreciate the architecture. It was built by the former governor, Victor Attah, who was a renowned architect. So you can see that it's an element of professionalism, world-class, structure in here. Unfortunately, it's not open, it's locked. I don't know why a place like this should be under lock and key. So I mean, my guide on this trip is Ekemini Joseph, Curious Africa, and I'd like to invite him over to come and say a thing or two about the history behind the individuals who are memorialized, on the exterior of this building. So, Ekemini, please come over. Just come talk to our people about. So tell us, what is the Ibibio Unity Museum about? Just give us a little bit of it.
So the Unity Museum is actually a museum that actually tells us more about us as a people, the Ibibio people. So way back in history, we used to have what we call the Ibibio Union, which is the tribe of Ibibio was what they knew us for. We have the sister state of Efok, the Efok people, and then the Ibibio people. So the Ibibio Union, as we've read, we studied in books of history, has shown us that it is about us as a people coming to make contributions so that we can send our children to schools abroad, whereby they will go to school, come back, and then fund this union again to get other people into it. The family of Udo Udoma has benefited from this. The family of Udo Attah, the Victor Attah, who built this, have benefited from this. The family of Akwa Ibom from Abak division, that's called Econo division, has benefited from this, and a lot of other families have actually benefited from this. As you saw in the frontage where Mr. Pelu showed you, you realize that they were chairman, two of them there who were the spearhead for this, and it shows us more about how much has been put. For instance, the other man, Defiong, that is from a local government that did not really benefit that much from it, was a policeman. Then he was a paramount ruler, and then of course these are the history of Akwa Ibom that we can learn from and understand that this place is beyond just being a museum that we see arts, pictures and stuff. It is our history. On the frontage you can see the about women riots, where it has been controversial over time about being the Ikorobasi women riots or the about women riots. So as it is, as we get on to learn more about Akwa Ibom, we realize that we have a whole lot of history about Nigeria down here in Akwa Ibom.
Thank you so much, Ekemini. Guys, that is just the tip of the iceberg. This is my first stop on this trip. There are so many other places I'm going to be touching today and in the coming days. Thanks for always joining my journey on the road around Nigeria. I'll see you next time.